What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to talk about meme coins because I think people get it messed up with what meme coins truly are. There's maybe only one meme coin that is different than all the rest, but we have to understand what the role is of a meme coin, especially when it comes to you as an investor, because I think people have it kind of messed up with the same mindset that you move from like the AMC, GME days, even going into just other positions within the stock market, other businesses that are out there. You got it messed up, honestly. And I want to talk about what the role should be and the truth behind becoming a meme coin millionaire, because there are some people out there that have become meme coin millionaires and then immediately haven't been, right? Since. So let's talk about those people. Let's talk about the mindset that you should have going into investing in the meme coins, as well as maybe even the future after that. So if you could hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. One more thing, if you guys want to trade any of these meme coins short term, you guys can trade things like Shiba Inu, like Bonk, like Pepe, like Dogecoin, all of those meme coins on Margex, which the link is at the top of the description. You could trade up to a 25x leverage on those meme coins. So if you find an opportunity where it hits a very low point, you're like, this is super low, I need to buy it now. You end up buying it. It skyrockets up. You have a 25x leverage. You make a boatload of money by investing a small amount. So just make sure that you understand trading and that you're investing at the right points and that you're using stop losses, especially in the beginning with you guys. I think you need to be able to establish that really well. But utilize my link for Margex if you guys are interested. But the reason why I want to talk about this is because in my live stream, um, people would ask me, what is your 20-year plan for Shiba Inu? Where do you see Shiba Inu in 20 years? Where do you see Dogecoin in 20 years? And while these are the top of the meme coin market, sorry, my nose is itching. While these are at the top of the meme coin market, they will still have that level of success. But how much will that be in a matter of 5, 10, 15, or 20 years? And I think in order to understand that, you have to understand the role of what a meme coin is. Meme coins are about the popularity. Eventually, you're going to have something that builds more popularity than what you already have. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, they're the pinnacle. They are the starters of this. So you'll probably see that always hang around. But it doesn't mean that it will always be at the tippy top of what it's supposed to be worth. You think about meme coin conversations, and it's always like when Dogecoin gets to $1, you're going to make so much money out of it. If you have millions, you're going to make so much money. And I don't think you're wrong by saying that, but you have to take that opportunity when it comes to you, right? So if Dogecoin gets up to 76 cents and you see it aggressively reversing, it doesn't hurt your process to take some of that profit if it looks like it's going to be a bear market, right? Because Dogecoin is not about utilizing the project for future purposes. It's about investing into it to a certain point. Shiba Inu, if it gets to a penny, I'll have this much money, right? It's all about what levels it gets to. And if you don't realize that you are at a high level or the highest level and you don't sell at that highest level, you are going to lose out on all of those gains that you've had. So if you had 1,000,000 Dogecoin and it gets to a level of $1, it doesn't mean that it won't be worth a little bit more than $1. It means that when you get up to that range, you better have a place to where you're like, this is what I want. This is where I'm settled at. This is where I'm going to sell, because you now have, you're looking at 20 years to where it can be completely downhill from there, or flat, or right above your cost basis, and you're hoping that it gets up to $1 again. Know that that's the mindset behind, or the mindset that you should have behind meme coins. They're only meant to get to whatever price people are saying that, or majority of people are saying that it's going to get to. Because when majority of people get to that price, they sell at that price, meaning that it all starts to come downhill. Doesn't mean that it all fails and it goes to zero. It may come back to where you bought at, or maybe a little bit lower, or maybe a little bit higher. But the point is that you're losing out on all of those gains as it does come down. So know and understand the realization behind meme coins, because when you go into the meme coin market or meme coin tokens, yes, the overall market is worth quite a bit. But you can also look at certain positions and see the fluctuation that they have had, right? Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Pepe, Dog with Hat, Bonk, Floki, all of these things that are here, they're great meme coins. But understand that they are only here for the popularity. And once that popularity window closes or another one takes over, you're going to have those same people that invested from Dogecoin or from Shiba Inu that made money to now put it into Book of Meme, to now put it into Sundog, to now put it into Turbo or whatever the position will be. They'll put it into all of these positions to make themselves more money like they did before. But it's all to make money. Just like any investment that you make, it's all to make money. But with a lot of the other coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum or XRP or BNB, CRO, all of those ones that are in the top 100 that have a utility to them, it's more about that side of it and the long term of what that can be rather than this is, short term and we can make money in a year and then this never gets back to those heights again. So understand the reality of meme coins because it could be a detriment to you. And one example of this, and I'm not saying that he's not going to make the money back, but he definitely went through a long period to where he wasn't a millionaire. And I don't know how much he's made now, but the Dogecoin millionaire always comes up. He's had north, I think, of $3 million at the high point for where Dogecoin was. You could have taken some of that. I know you didn't want to give up on Dogecoin, but as long as you're not selling all of it, you're not giving up on it. But what you are doing is preparing for what the worst situation could have been so that you can now invest in at the bottom if you find other opportunities. And that's kind of the example you want to look at because you got to understand Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Pepe, all of those, when they get to a certain price or close to that certain price, when a lot of people realize that it's at a very high point and now is the time to sell, that's exactly what they're going to do. It's all about the profit that you can gain. It's not about any utility. I can tell you the only meme coin that I think is starting to transition to less of a meme is Floki. And I'm not a partner with them or anything, but that is the only meme coin that I understand has so many different things to it. And you can also say that Dogecoin is probably transitioning into that as well by being able to be taken as a form of payment, but it's not something that is built or ingrained into their ecosystem. It's more about once Dogecoin hits $1, a lot of people will make a ton of money. So understand that. You need to understand that because if you don't, you will make a lot of money and you will also lose a lot of money at the same time because that opportunity sometimes, I would say in a lot of cases, doesn't come twice. So make sure you understand what you got there. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. Don't forget about my link for Margex. You guys can trade up to a 25x leverage on meme coins, 5x leverage of a minimum, no minimum price that you can put in there. So if you want to trade with $1, you can trade with $1. Feel free to check out that in the description. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.